guys, it's Josh here, and welcome back to another video. And no, my chickens did not die. We still have them. We kept them. We built this little coop for them. Really cool. Here they are. They've definitely grown a lot, as you can see. This one is Aurora. She's feeling a little under the weather lately, but I think she's getting better. This one is Sherbert. This one is Leona, and this one is Avery. And I'm just kidding. Oh wait. Oh, sorry, I couldn't tell if you were a chicken or not. But he's wearing Spurs. He's wearing Spurs merch, so we cannot respect him. What are you doing? So yeah, these are the chickens that we have. No, they're not dead. They have water. They're supposed to put their beaks up to the back of that, but they never do it because they're dumb. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello.
I can't hear anything.
He's too weenie. Anyway, this is where they get water, which they probably need more, and this is where they get food and stuff. So anyway, yeah. How are you doing, chicken? How are you doing, Leona? How are you doing, Leona? She's like, get away from me. And you can pet them. They're very nice to pet and stuff like that. Oh, the pecking doesn't even hurt that much. It just feels like a... Just pet them with 2 fingers.
They're staring at me. They're staring at me. You do it. That one looks like a vulture.
Vulture?
Yeah, look at it.
How dare you call my chickens vultures?
How dare you?
I want to pet you. Can I pet you, please? Can I pet you, please? I really like you. You look like a chicken.
What's in this tree?
What?
What's in there?
I have no clue. Probably some Black Widow. Illuminati.
Is your arm okay there?
What? My arm's fine. My arm is fine. Oh shit, shit. Be careful. Hey, this thing is not really sturdy. Yeah, I got it on video.
No, I mean like...
Yeah, I did. That should be even. I think I just don't want it. I just don't want them to fall. You know what I mean? Is that even?
I don't know.
Even Steven? I think that's even. I don't know.
I don't think they're gonna fall.
That one's toe is pretty about to fall, I think.
It looks so painful.
The toe?
It looks like it's just hanging there broken.
Okay.
Just look there.
That's gonna be a wrap for this video. I'll make a new video about them tomorrow. And it's gonna be longer because they're not really active right now. They're getting ready for bed, so. Peace out, everybody.